Welcome, my dear kids, for online class. How are you all? I hope all of you fine. Standard 2nd Environmental Science Term 1 and our Unit 1 topic is our environment. Today's class is very simple. It's going to be a very interestingly. Okay, what is environment? Environment means surroundings. It refers to everything remaining around human beings. The study of the basic components like water, air and land of our surroundings and their interactions is called environmental studies. All living and non-living things depending on the environment. Look at this picture. This is the forest picture. Introduction. Earth. Where we are living? We are living in Earth. Earth is a big environment. It is also called as blue planet. The world have 71% of water, 29% of land and air. So, we called as a biosphere. Our earth has a different landforms and water bodies. Landforms like desert, islands, mountains, delta, hill, etc. Water bodies like rivers, streams, pond, lakes and seas. Look at this picture. This is the major landforms. We are going to see about landforms and water bodies. Look at this picture. What is this, dear? This is a forest peak. The place where the animals living is called the forest. The second one is the plains. It is a flat landmass. It is warmer than hills. Plains are the major important growing crops. Plants will grow here. The next one is the mountains. Large landforms. It is a very wide as taller than hills. The next one is the hills. Hills is like a mountain but not so high. Hills are generally green in color and looking very beautiful. The next one is the desert. It is a hot and sandy place. Can you guess and tell me which animal can live in desert? Yes, your answer is very correct. Camel. The next we are going to see about rivers. It is a natural flowing water course, usually fresh water flowing towards an sea. This is the river picture. The next one is the sea. A sea is a large water body. The sea water is salty. In this lesson, there was a big celebration in school for the National Children's Science Congress. Everybody was excited. Students had come from many schools from all over India. They introduced themselves and spoke about the places they had come from. Look at this person. This is the first person. Her name is Daniel. He lives near a forest. Let's we join with Daniel and we are going to see inside the forest. Are you ready? Okay. A forest has a large number of trees. An area where trees have grown naturally for centuries. Forest supplies food. Forest supplies oxygen for respiration. Forest supply carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, water, and it supplies energy sources such as coal, petrol, diesel, etc. The ground is covered with bushes and grasses. Streams and ponds are also found in the forest. Streams, it is a small river. Ponds, an area of water that is smaller than lake. Streams, the continuous movement of the liquid between the two mountains. This is the picture of pond. And also animals live. Elephant, tiger, deer, bears, lions and snakes. Look at this picture of the snakes. Birds like peacock, dove, sparrow, parrots, woodpeckers also live there. You also hear the different sounds of animals. He likes the forest. It is cool and shady. Okay dears, how old are you? I think so you are 7 years old. Okay, see this picture. Can you guess the age of a tree? How will you calculate the age of a tree? The age of a tree can be found by counting the number of annual rings in its trunk. What is meant by trunk? The thick central part of the tree is that the branches can grow from. It is called the trunk. Look at this picture. This is the annual rings. First layer growth, rainy season, dry season, and the scare of the forest fire. Forests are useful to us in many ways. We get wood from trees, wood to make furniture. The next, we get from honey from trees. Honey is used in medicines. What is the taste of honey? It is sweet in taste. We get fruits from trees. Some examples are apples, mulberries, peach, and so on. Look at these pictures. And we get trees. Rubber from trees. It is used to make tires. We get many other useful things from forest. I hope you all enjoy this journey with Daniel, and we are looking for the next trip with Tarun and Kamakshi. Dear kids, did you all like this journey? Today's your homework is: some birds found in the forest can also be seen near our houses. Put a tick mark for the birds that you have seen. The birds are myna, parrot, dove, crow, sparrow and peacock. Do this. It is your homework. I hope you all understood this video. We will meet in the next class.